Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be playing Girls Just Want to Have Fun by Cyndi Lauper. You will need chord A, F sharp minor, and D. I'm leaving my middle finger on the same fret of G string for all of those chords. So A, F sharp minor, and D. The strumming pattern that I'm doing is a down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up. And if you're not yet at the place where you're doing a chuck, then you can do down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up. And when I mute, I come up with that index finger and it makes everything easier. So it's totally okay to adjust it for your level. We're gonna need two A's or two of the strumming patterns. Then F sharp minor. Let's try it with the words. Your singing note, when you're holding an A, if you pick on your C string, come home, that's going to be your singing note. 1, 2, you can do it. 1, 2, breathe, go. Come home in the morning like my mother says, you're gonna live your life right. Oh, mother dear, we're not the fortunate ones. How awesome, it came together so fast, right? Let's do it one more time just because it's so fun. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Come home in the morning like my mother says, you're gonna live your life right. Oh, mother dear, we're not the fortunate ones. Plus, the good thing about repeating is that it helps to really cement everything. So for those of you who are a little bit more advanced, I'm gonna do the strumming pattern with it. But if you're a beginner, just give me the simple down strum and give yourself more time, okay? So here we are at the chorus. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Girls, they wanna have fun. Let's do that again. 1, 2, ready. Let me give you more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Girls, they wanna have fun. Now there's a second line of the chorus, and it's going to start very similarly to the previous one. So we have the F sharp minor, that E, and then we end the phrase on an A. So let's try that second line. 1, 2, I'll go a little slower. 1, 2, ready, go. Girls, they wanna have fun. Let's do that second line again. 1, 2, ready, go. Girls, they wanna have fun. Try it again. And I'm going to do a little quick commercial break to let you know that I have a printable for those of you who are in my Patreon fam. So if you'd like to join the Patreon fam to support this channel, to attend the live lessons, and to get access to all of the printables that I've ever made, they're all on patreon.com/Bernadette Teaches Music. And I teach live lessons via Zoom there as well, so you can join those. And I do more lessons over there than I do here on YouTube, just because I'm so grateful to the Patreon fam. So thank you, Patreon members. Okay, so let's try that chorus again. 1, 2, 1, 2, you can do it. Ready, go. Girls, they wanna have fun. I sang it wrong. Let's do it again. 1, 2 for me. 1, 2, ready, go. Girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls, they wanna have fun. So now let's put a verse and a chorus together. There's really no space in between, so we have to be quick in our thinking. Here we go. 1, wait, we're starting with an A. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Come home in the morning like my mother says, you're gonna live your life right. Oh, mother dear, we're not the fortunate ones, and girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. Once we're in it, it moves pretty fast, right? So let's do that again. We're gonna do this 4 times just to really help it sink in. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Come home in the morning like my mother says, you're gonna live your life right. Oh, mother dear, we're not the fortunate ones. Girls, they wanna the sleeves out of the way if that's muting your strings. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, 1, 2, have fun. Ready, go. Come home, good morning, like my mother says. You're gonna live your life right. Oh, mother dear, we're not the fortunate ones. Girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. Okay, so now this time we're gonna keep going because it's our 4th time practicing it. And I'm gonna do a little bit, I'm gonna keep going a little bit, but you're gonna be able to follow along. It'll be easy. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Come home in the morning like my mother said. You're gonna live your life right. Oh, mother dear, we're not the fortunate ones. And girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. Wanna have fun, girls. Wanna have fun, girls. Wanna have fun, girls. Wanna have fun. So those are really the only parts to make this song happen, and then that bit that we added at the end can serve as an intro, a break, or even an outro depending on how you're making your cover. Now let's say that you're a finger picker, like you like to pick the strings to make like a really nice beautiful melody. So let's say you want it to sound like this. Come home in the morning like my mom. Like you want to make it more moody. Then what you can do is a really simple picking pattern. I'm going to put the thumb on G string. C has index, middle is on E string, and ring on A. Basically, it's just these 4 fingers, 1 on each string. And I want to make sure my wrist is not like bent like this. Look up. I don't want like chicken elbow. Like you want to relax that shoulder. Make sure you're not like overcompensating or hovering. Bring everything back to a relaxed position, and then bring the hand over to the strings. The thumb should be a little bit higher than the rest of them, but not like crazy. And I'm gonna pick strings G, E, A together, then C. Come home. And I'm gonna count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Everything still gets 4 beats, right? Come home in the morning like my mother says. When you're gonna live your life right. Oh, mother dear, we're not the fortunate ones. And girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. And that makes it like a way more moody song. So if you want to go for that style, definitely try out the finger picking pattern. I'm going to take a second to thank the sponsor of today's video. It's Enya Music. And the reason that they're a sponsor is because I trust them. Where like some companies have reached out for me to review an instrument, they'll tell me like, oh, we'll send you one from our collection. And I'm thinking, then you're going to send me something better than what somebody would order. Like that's dishonest. With Enya, they said, hey, just order something off of Amazon and we'll reimburse you. That was my first interaction with them. And I thought, well, I hope you're going to reimburse me, but that's really honest because that means that you trust your instrument so much that it doesn't matter which one I get, I'm going to get good quality. And it was really good quality and I was very impressed. And they've been so wonderful at receiving feedback from people. Their instruments come with strap buttons and strap and a gig bag and replacement strings and all of these wonderful things. And I have them as a sponsor on the channel now. I mean, I've had them for years because you all have been so happy with the instruments that I continue working with them. My channel depends on your trust in me. So I am like always trying to be really selective with the brands that I show off here, and Enya is just a really great brand. Like I have no complaints. I'm very happy with the products that they put out. This ukulele is the EUT solid mahogany, and it comes in a stained blue finish as well, which is divine. And then it has like a really beautiful cherry blossom design here at the top, and really beautiful like tuning machines as well. So yeah, if you're looking for a really nice solid mahogany instrument, check this one out. I think that you'll be happy with the quality and the price. If you had fun in this tutorial, please hit the like button and turn on notifications, because I'm going to be doing more live streams and it would be so fun to catch each other on a live. So hope to see you there. Ciao!